Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today's our topic is two special sounds of Arabic. But before starting, just a comment about the personality that being envious or jealous kills a person. An envy person does not harm anyone except him. This is the reality. So we should avoid jealous and envy. We must do this, please. Now we start this special sound of Arabic. As you know that this wa and ya, these letters you have studied in the previous lectures, it become long vowel if they come between a word like oo or e, like this. You have listened in the previous lecture. The two letters wa and ya oo or e, are used in another special form of vowels as well. If the letter before either of these two letters carries a fath sometimes, you will see this will be a confusion. Yes, it is. But in the Quran, they have clearly given a bar at the top or at the under style, so it will not be a big issue for you in the Quran. But for studying the normal Arabic other books, so then you might have a mistake. They might happen. So, but it's not a big issue for you because the Quran is published in the entire style, so it will not be an error from you. The sound of wa or oo like will be like a sound oo, au in the word sound, for example, or ball, ball. You know that ow, it becomes like a ball sometimes. So in English as well, this happens. Then scout, then it will be like OU, like this. So this is also happen in English as well. So same the scenario of Arabic as well. On the contrary, if the letter before oo carries a dhamma, sometimes it happens, it become a long vowel producing a sound like oo, sometimes like a foot or foot, like this. So double O, like shoot, this happens. So in this book we use this AU, like this one sometimes. Similarly, ya, which you call at E, like I, like this, but it may become fath, sometimes this happens. So with examples it will be more clear for you. So let me see some example like this. In this way, bow, by, tau, tai, au, I, like this. So this is the normal way. This tau, sau, sai, like this happens. Like although it is a fath, but they pronounce in the kasara, like this way. So this is the style. So that's why Arab people, if they want to use as a kasara, they use ja, like this. Jau, jai. How, hai. How, khai. Thou, they. So please try your practice as well. Now some rule of the day I will share with you. Sometimes native people do not follow rule. It is called as shaz or exception. This happens. In English, you will see some examples. In Arabic, it is very rare a rule has only one or two exceptions, whereas in English, number of exceptions is too high. For example, if you see that people of England, when they speak in English, and Americans when they speak, so you will find some differences. Similarly, people of India or Pakistan or in Indonesia, when they speak in English, you will find the sound in a different way. This happen. This also happen in Arabic as well, but not too much exceptions are there. So this is the rule. A challenge for you is try to use these two letters as I share I, ow, I, like this. So you will have to do the practice, and for the practice we will share some words. We will do it now, and you will have to do the practice, and then you will have to recheck from the Google Translate in Arabic same word, do it and see how they are pronouncing in the right way. Do you know the language to read the Quran is standard around the globe? Arabs in different regions speak Arabic in different ways. They have different pronunciation, different vocabulary, different styles. But while reciting the Quran, all of them read it in a standard way. Muslims from other countries also learn the standard accent to recite the Quran in the standard accent. So this is also a miracle of the Quran. Now I will share with you, I will request you that just listen the Quran of Arab people, also listen from Egyptians, also listen from Indians, also listen the same part of the Quran of Indonesians and Turkey, and then Americans, and then UK. Then you can see that the sound will be the same. So this isn't it a reality? You can check it in YouTube, you can check it and see that the Quran is pronounced in the right way. Now please do the practice as I shared with you. Rao, Rai, Zau, Zai, Sau, Sai, like this. Do the practice. Lau, Lai, Now, Nai, like this. Please. Now some words are there and try by yourself. I give example. Aina, the first word. Mawdu'u, khayru, yawma, ruwaida, quraishu, khawfu, maw'udatu, طيرة, زيتونة, عين, suhaib. All these words are in the Quran, and now you can do the practice by yourself. Just some article I wrote in English, treasury. Its link is coming to you. Please try by yourself. Just listen it. It's just one word. This article is very small, and you can read it, and whatever is useful for you, you can use it. Whatever your questions, feel free to write in, especially in my email address mubashirnazir100@gmail.com. So please do this. So inshallah we will continue in the next lecture. Next topic will be the sound of N, how in Arabic they use it. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.